Hello everyone, this is Pink Sister and Diamond Lady. Introducing to you is another Pink Sister, and today we are making cookies and we are not going to add sugar. Now to the ingredients. We have 8 tablespoons flour, 6 tablespoons of oats, 4 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 mashed banana. Let's begin with the magic. Melt the butter and pour it in a mixing bowl. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for coming by to watch our videos. We really appreciate it. And I think it's a good opportunity to talk about children as well. Before I go ahead, let's add 2 tablespoons honey to the butter, and we are going to stir it all together. So anyone who knows me very well really does know that I love children. I don't care what size, features, height, or anything they've got wrong with them. I just love children, and I think every child is different and every child needs to be given the opportunity to do things for themselves. Every child needs to be aware of their environment, and every child needs to feel very important. What we're going to add in there now is mashed banana. I know lots of parents and guardians don't have the time to spend with their children or with their nieces and nephews and all the kids around them, but it's very important, as when you give the children the chance to do things for themselves, they gain more confidence. So what we're adding in there now, it's our oats, and we're going to stir that very well as well. So when you give children the chance to do things for themselves, they get a very positive self-esteem. It gives them the chance to talk to you about anything at all. What we have also just added in there is the flour. We're going to add it bit by bit to form the cookie dough. I will urge every parent or every adult who have children around them to give the children the chance to do things for themselves, as that makes them feel proud. Praise the children when there is a need to praise them, but don't overdo it. Children love doing things for themselves. So what we're going to do now is get our tray out, and we are going to roll the dough up into small balls, as we have done with our other biscuits. So as I'm talking about the children, please adults, it's time you give the children a chance to do things for themselves. It's time you give the children a chance to learn something new. And don't forget that practice makes perfect. Kids love doing things for themselves. We'll be baking these cookies for 15 to 20 minutes. But before then, we need to dip a fork in water and press our cookie doughs flat. And whilst doing this, you can create different shapes, like the love heart or a dinosaur, whatever comes to mind. Today, I think we want to be making some love heart shapes, and it's very easy. You need to be very creative. And after 15 to 20 minutes, these are our cookies, and we really love them. So we decided to top our cookies or decorate our cookies with some melted chocolate, and yum. This looks lovely. They can go into your kids' lunchbox, or you can have them as snacks. You take it with you to work or wherever. We hope you come again. We hope you enjoyed this cookie. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe.